This section we're looking at another part of the R1. At the moment we're outside Adamstown Train Station in Adamstown, obviously. Glebe, Newcastle City is that direction, Glebe Road just there, Park Avenue here. Now normally the route is to head a bit towards Glebe Road. We're actually going to take a slight alternate route of the R1 we're heading towards Broadmeadow in general. And yeah, we'll be just taking a slight alternate route around to avoid the roadworks. So, as I said, we're at Adamstown Station. We're just heading a tiny distance south to use the crossing with the refuge. And now we can continue, although we've got a bus. I guess I go around, not very rare to have a bus there. And we're going left. Now generally heading east in the direction of Merriweather essentially. We're just going to go a couple of the back streets. This one runs parallel to Glebe Road. Victoria Street. So straight ahead here after giving way, stopping. Intersection with Burke Street here, we have to stop. And we're going to turn left onto Teralba Road. The signage there does include R1, so it is sort of the designated part of the R1. I suspect that's going to change after the intersection upgrade at Park Avenue and Glebe Road, because there should be a signalised crossing then, which will be safer, because now we have to cross Glebe Road. Luckily it's early enough that there's very little traffic around, but normally peak hour it's pretty bad. Now we're travelling on Teralba. To get your bearings, Newcastle City is approximately that direction. Teralba is a reasonably quiet street. The traffic calming measures of the speed humps does tend to keep car volumes down, and cyclists have these diversions around. A bit controversial. Some designers don't like them because of the need to merge with traffic again. Very rare. I travel this each way every day, every workday. Never really had an issue. I typically see more cyclists on it than cars. Road's a bit rough around here with covered in roadworks. We have to stop here with the intersection of Balla Road. I think that was it's a bit of an inconvenience for cyclists, but I think it was a traffic calming measure. Personally, I'd prefer to see a few more speed humps along the way with the diversions. Okay, we're going to be turning right on Melville to stay on the R1. Just want to make a note though, either straight ahead for a couple of blocks gets you closer to Broadmeadow station. I sometimes go left actually, but it's a little bit more traffic that way, but straight ahead does get you close to Broadmeadow station, train station. We're heading east again, generally in the direction of Merriweather. Now we're just coming up to Brunker Road. Quite a busy road in Adamstown / Broadmeadow. Again, the early hour favours. Neat. Another person wants to race to the stop point. That's okay. We're going left here. Let's continue on the R1. We're Gosford Road. Again, generally city centre that direction now. This is probably one of the points of the route you have to be a bit careful. We have to turn to this right here, this gradual right. Obviously I looked behind me to see if there was any car traffic. We're sort of now near, we're on Pokolbin Street, near the back of the western side of Merriweather High School, I think it is. And we're turning left here. Giving way to traffic. And we're going to stop here just at Koree Road as the end of this section. Mainly because Koree Road, Council have designated might link up. I think they're changing the R5 to essentially be this route here. So that heads to Broadmeadow Station and the stadium. So this could be the end of the R5. But in essence, it does let you get to the stadium. We're going to be heading east again soon, turning right to head to the city.